Hello guys, in this video let's look at widow and orphan because these two terms are quite confusing to most students. Okay, so a widow, from the text that we have here, a widow is the last line of a paragraph that appears alone at the top of a new page or column. Okay, and while an orphan is the first line of a paragraph or heading that appears alone at the bottom of a page or column. So when we talk about widow, we're talking about the last line of a paragraph that appears alone at the top of a new page. So let's see an example of a widow from the document that I have here. Okay, good. So this is an example of a widow here. So as you can see, this line of text is standing alone, even though it is part of this paragraph, but it is at the first, is at the top of the page of the next page, right? So, but it's supposed to be part of this paragraph. So, we try as much as possible to remove these in a document, okay? So, to remove these, we want to just press enter from here, okay? So that it will be a single paragraph here. So now we've removed this widow. Now, an orphan always starts at the bottom. Okay, it's always at the bottom. The first line of a paragraph that is at the bottom of a page. So this is an orphan here. So this line here is an orphan. So it is always important for us to remove orphans and widows. So what I'm going to do is just to press enter and make sure my cursor is blinking at the right spot. Then I'll press enter and make sure I align the paragraph very well. Okay, so this is an example of orphan and the widow. Okay, now most of the times it is important to make sure that Microsoft Word controls the orphan and widow. So how do you make sure that it controls it? You want to go to paragraph group and then launch this dialog box here. You want to ensure that this widow slash orphan control is checked. So it will help you to control the orphan and the widow. So whenever there is one line out of a paragraph somehow, either before or after, it is going to control it when that is checked. Okay, so I think this makes it clearer. I hope this you know shows you what a widow and an orphan is. Okay, so leave a comment down below if you have any suggestion. All right, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.